To open this, I'm going to pull this one down, and again, mine was already open. The tape that's holding this part to this part, I'm going to open that, and I'm going to pull this box out like so. There we go. So yes, there's a box inside of a box. It seems to me that everything that's on the outside box, which is the one that this box came in, is on this box as well. So they just double printed everything. I'm guessing this was kind of to protect this. Now, I'm someone that keeps my boxes for every single console and laptop I have, so that when I do come to sell it later on, it's worth more. It might not be worth a lot more, but people tend to really like buying stuff when you have a box with it. I'm gonna twist it over. There we go. That's the front, obviously, so this is how I should have done it. At the very top, I have my Nintendo Switch 2. Looks quite big, actually. This looks noticeably larger than my Nintendo Switch 1 to me. Here we have the Joy-Cons. We have blue and orangey pinky. I'm going to take the Switch out first. So there is a finger lip at the side. You just put your hand there, lift it up. I'm going to put that to one side first and check out everything that's in the box first. These are my Joy-Cons. I'm going to put them on the side here. Okay, that's my Mario Kart code there, so I'm going to take this out quickly. Under that, important information which we're definitely never ever going to read. No one reads these. I think at this point everyone knows how to set a console up. Put that to one side. We have an HDMI cable here. Looks quite thick, looks quite decent. It says ultra certified cable. It's probably just a good HDMI cable, and they've done all the checks for resistance and all of that, so it's a decent cable. We have the straps under here. You can attach these straps to the Joy-Con. So what happens when you're playing something, you can strap the Joy-Con to this so it won't fall out of your hand. And I do have to say, the Joy-Cons feel noticeably heavier to me again than the previous Joy-Cons. It's not too heavy, to be fair, but it's definitely bigger. I can feel that it's bigger straight away, and it's heavier as well. I'm going to leave the straps in at the moment. I don't need them right now, so I'm going to close this back, pushing it down. I'm going to lift this entire thing out to see what's underneath. Underneath, we have what's in this first one. This is the Joy-Con controller thing. So you can snap them onto this to turn it into a standalone controller that you don't need to have the Switch in your hand. So when you're plugging this into a TV, if you don't have the Switch Pro controller, for example, this is going to be really, really handy. I do have another controller, which is the SN30 Pro. I really, really like this controller. Now, I might get the Pro controller at some point, but this is going to be my go-to for now. Next, we have the USB cable. So it's a USB-C to USB-C, which means that you can probably use this to charge your phone as well. Do have the power adapter completely separate, unlike the last time where it was attached to it. This is quite a hefty brick. This ranges from 15 to 60 watts, which is quite decent actually. This should be more than enough to power the Switch. And finally, down here, I think this is where we have the dock. This is what the dock looks like. It's very lightweight. You see loads of vents down here, so I'm guessing it pulls in air from somewhere down here. And to open the back, you simply pull this part here and it just comes off like so. We have our HDMI port, USB-C, and an Ethernet port. Very, very useful. I think I'm going to use mine on Ethernet. I always prefer wired. Last but surely not least, we have the Nintendo Switch itself. There's some dust in here. Oh no, it's not dust, it's just a crease. And here we go, Nintendo Switch 2. That looks like a decently sized tablet to me.